Question number 10. A scientist uses an electric motor to lift load through a vertical distance of 2.0 meter. He then increases the input power to the motor and repeats the experiment. The efficiency of the motor does not change. Which row correctly describes the effect that this has on the useful work done, lifting the load, and the time taken to lift it? First of all, here the efficiency does not change. Efficiency is the ratio of output power to the input power. As the efficiency remains same, so the useful work done will be same. I write here efficiency is equal to useful output energy or output power divided by input power. And also power is equal to energy over time. Energy in this case will be equal to work over time. So when the efficiency remains same, it means that useful work remains same. What will be the effect on the time taken to lift it? As the input power increase, by increasing the input power, this is equal to energy over time, which is also equal to work over time, as the work remains same. By increasing the input power, time decrease. Now we see the option work done and time taken. Option A decreases, B stays the same, decreases. From here, option B is correct, which shows that the work done remains same but the time decrease.